So, Abhi recently I was watching a reel, and there was this reel about this channel or something, I don't know. Like, in that one, there was like I think an AI thing where this guy was like showing that you have the perfect solution for chatting, that you can just send your screenshot of chatting and the AI will reply to it. And he showed that, you know, he just converted a girl's number through that. And the guys were like, my God, I want this, I want this, I want this. Quite sweet, right? But that really raises the concern. And when I saw it, I was like, what the fuck? I would never want such an AI. I'll just tell you why I think that, right? And why someone should actually rather go for the hard skill set rather than going for a AI shit, right? Because देखो अभी आज के टाइम में ना the problem is कि we have things too easy. So what is happening is कि everyone around, they are just looking for the easiest fucking solution rather than learning the hard skill set, going through the hardship. Hardship just doesn't teach you the skill set, it teaches you a lot of life skills as well. And mostly what happens with people is that they don't have the fucking life skills, and then when shit gets hard, they give up, right? They give up so fucking easy. And I think an AI to fucking help chatting is only going to fuck things up, and this is going to fuck things up massively, because you might convert a date, you'll never be able to convert when you meet the girl in person. Because bro, at the end of the day, the girl doesn't give a shit. Because again, people think that attraction is everything based on looks. It's not. Okay? It has nothing to do with the looks. So people think that if they just land a date with a girl, they'll fucking convert it. But that's not always the case, bro. I would say that's rather never the case. Okay? You just converting it, like meeting them in person is one thing, and converting it from there is a totally different thing altogether. And AI is only going to mess things up further. Kyunki hoga kya? That people will rely too much on the AI. They will never have, like, you know, the guts, the skill set to actually talk, right? And they will get a lot of dates, and they will only face rejection, and they will try to come up with their own theory of why they're getting rejected, and they will arrive at a faulty theory because in the first place they had no idea why things are working out, right? And it's just going to make things further difficult. And again, like, suppose you get married to that person, then what? Then are you going to use an AI to fucking tell you how to fucking keep the marriage going on, right? That's not gonna work, yaar. At the end, it has to be the person. And again, I mean, AI might make things a little bit easier, tab it's theek hai, like it's okay. Suppose you are not able to come up with a witty reply to something, it's fine. I personally, I'm totally against that as well. Okay, because I believe yaar ki hardship teaches you a lot more than just fucking the skill set. Hardship teaches you fucking a lot more than just simply texting. And it makes no sense for me ki bhai bande, like, they are looking for a solution for fucking, like, you know, ki bhai mere ko sari texting karwa do. That's bizarre, yaar. I'm even surprised that this thing exists. This should not even exist. And people wanting it, it's like, bhai, they're just looking for the easiest way out, and they have fucking no shred of self-respect left. Why? I mean, when I say it, it might sound like I'm a boomer or some shit. Bhai. I'm not against the idea of an AI helping men with the dating thing. But it should not replace the typical conventional dating thing, simply because of the fact that at the end you're going to meet the girl in person. नहीं तो भाई वो AI को क्यों ना डेट कर ले? Why would she date you? Just think about it. So that's why I'm saying, भाई, कि मतलब, if you really think about it, it's really messed up. And I would never want such a thing to exist. Like, such में. But it exists. ठीक है? It exists because there are people who need it, which even further clarifies my point कि भाई, if people need it, it simply means that they have zero communication skills. And especially आजकल, like, this is what I've heard a lot of dating coaches talk about, कि भाई, जब से कोरोना आया ना, the social skills have fucking, like, drastically reduced, because most of the people, they had their colleges and everything in corona, and they just sat at home. They never talked to girls, they never got to experience that life. So yeah, it's fucking fucked up. So guys, rather I would say work on your dating skill set, bro. Talk to people, just fucking put yourself in the difficult situations. Uncle आंटियों से बात करो भाई, तुम्हारे घर पे कुछ होता है, fucking take charge, landowners, ये सब वो सब. Talk to every fucking person that you can, and that will really enhance your social skills. And as I said, social skills not only teach social skills, they also teach you life skills, which are going to, I would say, be a fucking big investment in your life going forward as well. So fuck AIs. Don't fuck AIs actually. Okay? Rather date normal real girls, and don't rely so much on an AI to just solve your problem, because an AI is only going to make the problem worse. See you in the next one.
That was crazy, right? But do you know what's crazier? Click this playlist right here and you will see in real life hidden camera footage of me approaching and attracting beautiful women in no time. I'll also be breaking down what I said to them, how I got them attracted in minute details. So don't delay guys, click the playlist right now and I'll see you on the other side.